How to create an account on Microsoft Teams. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new account on Microsoft Teams, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device, then tap on Get Started. Over here, you can tap on Create or Use Another Account. After you do that, what you're gonna do is you have to sign in to Microsoft account. In order to do that, you have to enter your email or your phone number over here. After you add your email, you have to enter a country, then your date of birth. After you do that, tap on Next, then enter your name, then tap on Next again. Now you have to prove that you're not a robot. After you do that, you will successfully be signed into your Microsoft Teams account. Then tap on Get Started and allow or decline over there. After you do all that, you can successfully use Microsoft Teams on your device. So, this is how you can create an account on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.